The Coldest Enigma, Dyatlov Pass. Hi everyone, today I'm going to talk about a mystery that has fascinated me for a long time, the Dyatlov Pass incident. I chose this topic because it is a perfect mix of history, science, and the unexplained. There are two shocking details that make this case unique. First, the hackers. Then, was found a large weapon from the inside, which means they were desperate to get out. Second, some of the victims had internal injuries equivalent to a high-speed car crash, but they had no internal bruise is absolutely terrifying. This event took place in February 1959 in the Ural Mountains, Soviet Union. A group of 9 experienced hikers, led by Igor Dyatlov, was trekking through the snow. They were highly trained, so they knew how to do their job in extreme weather. However, they never arrived at their destinations. When the research party found their camp on that mountain, they discovered a scene that made no sense. The hikers had fled into a storm at minus 30 degrees, without shoes or quads. If they had stayed inside the tent, they would have survived. Why would experts make such a fatal mistake? Some believe they were terrified of something we still cannot explain. The official result of the Soviet investigation was that a compounding natural force caused the deaths. Although an avalanche is the most logical explanation, it doesn't explain why some clouds have high levels of radiation. In spite of recent scientific studies, the mystery remains unsolved because many military documents are still classified. Moreover, the strange injuries and the missing tongue of one of hacker led people to believe in secret weapons tests of even aliens. Despite all the technology we have today, we cannot reach a final conclusion. If I had the chance to solve this mystery, I would use advanced 3D simulation to recreate the infrasound frequency of the wind, which might have caused madness in the group. I will also open all the secret Soviet archives to see what they were hiding. If this mystery was solved, it will finally give peace to the families and help us understand how nature or human experiments can affect the human mind in such a violent way. Thanks for listening and stay curious.